when I'm ready to upload my essay to Upswing for review, I just type in Upswing. Hopefully it will take me to Upswing. I might have a link I could use, but I need to log in. I have to search for my school. And then my username and password. Username is probably your A number. Password is what you use to log into Blackboard. Then you go to Upload Assignment for Review, choose the subject, enter the title, line spacing. Make sure you choose double spaced and that your essay is double spaced for MLA format. If you don't choose the correct spacing, they will not review it, so make sure you choose the correct one. Choose the number of pages, and then upload a file. Look, it has to be one of these types of files or they cannot comment on it. So that means maybe you have to go back to your original and save it as the file that you have. Look at how many folders I have open. So File, Save As. If you download a copy as a Word document, that'll be fine, but you cannot send a PDF to them. So look, it says DOCX, and that's the kind of file that I need, either one of these two. So I will choose that file. And then I can choose supporting files. That means if I have in my course a handout that has what I need to have in there, I could upload that handout, but it needs to be, it looks like a PDF. We'll see. Maybe I can upload it as is. I can choose that short story handout and then describe the instructions. Well, I can look at that handout and see what the instructions are. So I just take a look at that and see what my instructions are. I need my length on there maybe. Any of these details I could add there. So any of these details. So look at your handouts carefully. All right. In a nutshell, I'm just going to say that I am analyzing a short story and am required. Make sure they know you're required to use MLA format. Sometimes the tutors who are not working for the college but are just Upswing tutors will give you advice suggesting to use a different format, which is incorrect for English class. You do need to say what you would like help with. Anything with an asterisk next to it requires you to fill it out. So tell them what you need help with. Maybe source integration, if you are having trouble with that. They will check for everything, but tell them what your most problematic thing is. Maybe you have problems with sentence structure. Maybe you tend to write in run-on sentences or comma splices or fragments. So have them check for any of that. And then you just click Submit, and then it will go in Current Submissions. When it's finished, and you have to give them at least 3 days, but I would check frequently. They might get it back sooner. But when it's finished, it'll be in previous submissions, and then you can click View to view it. And then it will be in not the original file, that's what you've submitted, it will be in additional files. So the one that is from me, I know is my original file. The one is from somebody else is the additional file. So I can open that and I can take a look and I will see the comments on there. And the comments are, the one with the comments is what I want to upload to Blackboard for a grade. And then this will be the file I attach to upload a file in Blackboard. And then I will, in the comments box, write my comments on what I learned from the tutor. All right, let me know if you have questions.